So today we're gonna do a little upgrade on Ham's home. We heard everyone talk about how small our hamster cage was the last time, and now we're listening. So we're upgrading it to a glass aquarium type, which is 30 cm by 60 cm. So as you can see, it's quite relatively long and relatively wide, but I'm sure you can get bigger cages like the Alaskan ones, which go up to like 40 by 70 centimeters. But for today, we're gonna work with a 30 cm by 60 cm one. So let's begin. So we're using the Macanthus premium bedding. I've already put a layer of it here. And what we're gonna do first is we're gonna try to put the wheel in. So I'm gonna use the Rodipet 21 cm diameter wheel. It's good for dwarfs. They have a bigger version that's for Syrian hamsters, but I own a dwarf, so we're just gonna fit our wheel right in here. So we're just gonna make space here at the side so that it can turn. And what's really good about this wheel is that it's really silent. So let's prepare that first. So next up, what we want to do is I actually got this house with stilts from their granite wood series. So it's really good because the roof is detachable and it's made of granite, and you can see a little like maze sort of structure inside. It's really good. So I've decided to put stilts on it because I want to make use of the height of the aquarium glass. It's 35 cm high. So let's just put this in. So what you want to do is move the bedding this side so that you can put it on a firm base here. So once you've already positioned it, you can place all this bedding. You're free to add more if you feel like it's not enough. But what I like to do is make a little hill for my hammy to climb on. So you're gonna put some bedding into the house. I'm gonna remove the roof for now to see how much bedding I'm putting in there, and then you can start to build it up. So I like it a little lower at the wheel and higher here at the house. So we're just gonna clean up the sides, make a nice gradient for your hammy to climb. And then once you're done, you can put the roof back. This is really good because the roof can act as like a cooling mat for your hamster to like sit on when it feels hot. So you're giving it extra options to wander. Yeah. So let me adjust the bedding a bit more. So you're gonna be wondering that the bedding is a little like difficult to climb on. So I got this wood from Rodipet as well. So what you can do is create a little bridge for him to climb. For example, like that. And then I'm just gonna add more bedding here. And then we're gonna play around with it more. You can bury a bit of the wood. And next up, I got this little burrowing hut thing, a house that you can put under. I'm gonna put it right here so that my hammy gets to climb onto it. So what you want to do is place a bit of the bedding on top here and some here. So we're just going to add more bedding so that it's a little more thicker on the lower side. And what I'm going to also add is this very nice log that we can put at the front here so that we can see Hammy do her thing. So I'm going to rotate this a little so that she can enter from the log side. And there's also an entrance to the hole here, so I'm just going to vary a bit. So the good thing about placing the hole towards the glass is that you can actually see your Hammy doing some climbing, doing some digging, burrowing, and then you might want to put some of the bedding on top here so that it's more camouflage. So you just have to clean up the log area, and then you can do it something like that. Next up is the Rodipet wooden water stand. So for this one, I think the best place to put it is around here. So you might want to dig a little deeper here so that you can place the base and then start to bury it. Make sure it's like high enough so that like your ham doesn't have to reach out too far for it. Next up, your Hammy's food tray. I've decided to use the ceramic series from Rodipet for this. And we're gonna place it here, right where she can climb on. And then bury it a little. Then let's make sure the wheel can still fit. Great. So it's perfect here. We're also gonna add Hammy's bathing area. I might just put it down here and bury it a little. Great. And then you can put some hay here at the back. And then make it easy for your Hammy to reach it. And then you can start by putting your Hammy's accessories, toys, chew toys. I've decided to get this one just for, for fun. And then you can put it up here. So this is how I would set up my hamster cage. I've also just decided to buy rose petals just for the scent so that it smells good. So what you want to do is open this and like scatter it all over the bedding because it's gonna help make your little home for your Hammy smell a bit nicer. So what I want to do is just sprinkle a little top here, and aesthetically it makes it have a pop of color in the area. Not only does it smell good, okay, so we're gonna start placing the food and the sand bath in here so that we can put Hammy inside here. For the food, I'll be using Rodipet's Hamster Fooder Junior because my Ham is only like 2 months old. So we're gonna give her food that's suitable for her age. What I also like to do is give Ham a bit of protein from dried mealworms. But I only give her in moderation. So for today, we're just gonna put this one from Rodipet. So now, Ham's enclosure is almost ready. What's missing? Ham Ham. And there you have it.